ETL, an overview. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, Load, a process widely used in data management and data warehousing. It refers to the sequence of steps required to collect data from various sources, transform it into a suitable format or structure, and load it into a final destination, typically a data warehouse or database. This process is crucial for preparing data for analysis, reporting, and business intelligence, BI. Extraction, gathering data. The extract phase is the first step in the ETL process, where data is gathered from various sources. These sources can include databases, files, applications, APIs, or even web services. The primary goal of this phase is to fetch data from its original locations and bring it into the ETL pipeline. Extraction can be challenging due to differences in data formats, structures, and technologies used by the source systems. A common example of extraction is retrieving customer information from multiple CRM systems into a single data warehouse to gain a unified view of customer behavior. Transformation, refining the data. Once the data is extracted, it moves to the transform phase. Here, the data is cleaned, filtered, and formatted to meet the specific requirements of the target system. Transformation involves a variety of operations such as data cleansing, removing duplicates, correcting errors, data normalization, standardizing data, data aggregation, summing, averaging, and data enrichment, enhancing data with additional information. For instance, consider a retail company that collects sales data from multiple regions. During transformation, the data might be converted into a standard currency, regional sales figures might be summed up, and time zones might be standardized. Loading, storing the data. The final step is the load phase, where the transformed data is transferred into the destination system, often a data warehouse or a database. The goal is to make the data available for querying, analysis, and reporting. The loading process can be executed in bulk, all at once, or incrementally, in small batches. For example, after transforming the sales data, the company loads it into a centralized data warehouse where it can be accessed by data analysts to generate sales reports and make strategic business decisions. Real-life use case. Retail analytics. Imagine a large retail chain with hundreds of stores across different regions. Each store has its own system for tracking inventory, sales, and customer information. The company wants to analyze this data to optimize inventory levels, understand customer preferences, and improve sales strategies. Using ETL, the company can extract data from each store's system, transform it by standardizing formats and aggregating figures, and load it into a central data warehouse. This unified data allows the company to perform detailed analysis, such as identifying best-selling products, understanding regional sales trends, and predicting inventory needs. Importance of ETL in business. ETL plays a vital role in enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions. It allows organizations to integrate data from multiple sources, ensuring that they have a comprehensive view of their operations. By transforming data into a consistent format, ETL makes it easier to analyze and draw meaningful insights. For example, in the healthcare industry, ETL processes can be used to merge patient data from different hospitals and clinics, providing a holistic view of patient care and outcomes, which is critical for improving healthcare services. Modern ETL and tools. With the rise of big data, cloud computing, and real-time analytics, the traditional ETL process has evolved. Now, there are tools that offer real-time ETL capabilities where data is processed as it is generated. Some popular ETL tools include Informatica, Talend, Apache NiFi, and Microsoft Azure Data Factory. These tools help automate the ETL process, handle large volumes of data, and provide user-friendly interfaces for managing data workflows. Conclusion. ETL is a fundamental process in data management, critical for preparing data for analysis and decision-making. By enabling organizations to extract data from various sources, transform it into a usable format, and load it into a central repository, ETL facilitates better business intelligence, reporting, and analytics. Whether in retail, healthcare, finance, or any other industry, ETL is the backbone of effective data management and utilization.